My Toro 18-inch electric snowblower stopped working, where it's plugged in, but nothing happens, no sound, no spin, it's just dead. And to fix it, first step I tried was to get a Toro warranty, and I went to their official website. And I'm gonna punch in the model number here. 381. So mine broke after a year and 9 months, so it's still within warranty. And for me, the serial number runs between, it's one of these, but I think they're all the same anyways. So this is the 1800 power curve electric snow slower. And if we go to product warranty section and look at the English warranty, it says this is a 2-year, so I'm going to highlight that. It's a 2-year limited warranty. It's for United States and Canada. And do this, all you have to do is take it to Home Depot. And Home Depot will replace the product free of charge to the consumer to cover any cost resulting from the application of this warranty. So you can read this on your own, but this is the official Toro warranty statement. I have the original receipt, and I went to Home Depot and they just said, nope, they don't do this. This is only in Mexico for whatever reason. And I blame both Home Depot and Toro for this. Home Depot, because they sell so many Toro products, they should know better. And what are they saying? Are they saying somehow Mexico have better service warranty than Canada or the States? And yeah, it's in black and white print, US and Canada. Anyway, rant over. I'm gonna go over how I end up fixing this on my own and just skip the warranty altogether. First, remove the 4 screws from the back plate, and the red back plate will come off. And then you'll see the motor covered by a black cover, and remove 3 screws from that black cover, and this cover will come off and you'll expose the motor. In the motor, there's 2 important parts. One is the brush and the other is the spinner or the commutator. I'm just going to call it spinner. The brush is supposed to conduct electricity to the spinner to cause the motor to spin. In my case, the brush and the spinner were both dirty and electricity is not flowing smoothly. That's why it won't turn on. So I just cleaned both with some alcohol, and then it was fixed and it started working again. That simple. You don't have to do this, but if you have a multimeter at home, the resistance between the positive and negative should be 2.4 ohms. That's how you know it's cleaned.